Education, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Education has been a top priority of the provincial government, and I will just mention a few words that what the provincial government has been doing for education. Of course, the reforms include the capacity of the teacher, the contents and curriculums, and of course, from theoretical to practical aspect, transformation of curriculum from theoretical to practical features. And the fourth is, of course, the IT intervention in the schools to make it more practical, more accessible. Of course, the equity, accessibility, quality, standard, and assessment has been the top features of the policy, and of course the reforms in our province. Right now, 5.6 million students are reading in the government school in our province, with more than 2 lakh teachers, and we are mainly focused on the assessment process, the assessment of the capacity of the teacher, of course, the assessment of the quality, the students learning in the school. And the major challenge for our province was the out-of-school children, which the government has been able to handle that. We have 1,000 community school for the last year that we have successfully launched, and 1,000 more community school for this year. The second shift school, we opened 1,000 second shift school in the last year, and of course we are going to open more 1,000 community school in this year, and of course the adult literacy center for those students who have been out of school and who have